everyone, MelodyScarves here, and I'm here to show you how I did this beautiful, simple yet super elegant headscarves using accessories and scarves from Wrapunzel.com. This is not a sponsorship. I've been shopping at Wrapunzel since 2019, 2020, somewhere around there. I've been head wrapping since 2019. And I love their products, I love their message, I love them, and so I just wanted to show off and maybe inspire some other people who already wrap, who want something new to style, or people who are interested, or even just inspire other people to look into it more if that's something for them. So for this wrap, I will be using the Cloud9 Shaper by Wrapunzel. It's the first shaper I ever owned, and I absolutely love it. It's my favorite. And then you can see my hair is totally inside, totally covered. So to start, I will be using the Lancaster County scarf. You can see that this scarf is very, very wide. So in order to make it fit onto our heads correctly, we're going to take it and fold it in half. Now, depending on the width of your scarf, you may fold it more or less. I'm gonna fold it directly in half because it's very wide. We're going to find the middle of the scarf and we're gonna flip it over our heads. We're gonna line it up right here. So once we have this all in place, we're gonna grab our ends and we're just gonna tie it into a little knot in the back. So I'm gonna take the longer side. Your sides may be even, and then in that case you just choose which side you want. I'm going to carefully pleat it or fold it over itself, and then I'm just going to pull this over my head like this, and this is sitting right about where my head starts to turn into the shape, so I'm going to have it sit right on that crease. Then we've got our shorter side here, and we're going to pull these together, but I'm actually going to take this part that went over my head and I'm going to place it behind this other piece that we haven't messed with yet. I'm just gonna hold it like this. Next, I'm gonna take the Archscape Scarf Holder. It's a little metal hoop with a hair tie just inside. So I'm gonna take the hoop and I'm going to place it around both pieces of the scarf, just like this. So just holding it in place. And then I'm gonna take the rubber band and I'm gonna wrap it around this whole bunch. I'm gonna wrap it 3 times, depending on how thick your scarf is. You may only need it once, maybe just 2 times, maybe even 4 times. It depends on how thick you've got it, okay? And kind of tighten it like that. And once you're done, this is your look. So let me know if you've tried this, let me know if you wanna try this, or if you have any questions, and I'd be happy to answer.